The plan here is to solve equations involving logarithms and exponential. We'll start with exponentials first, yeah, because it's kind of like, easy, but it will, logarithm, exponential, whatever that is, it will relate. Let's look at question number 1, yeah. 2x plus 1 equals to 3 power of x, yeah. So how do you solve this? First thing to do is to make this as natural, and you can apply this to both sides of the equation. Yeah, so you apply the natural logs to both sides of the equations, and what happens after this? What you need to do is you use the third law, yeah, which is drop the x down here, and so is this one. All right. The next thing to do is to just basically multiply this. We treat the ln2 as a number, so it's going to be x ln2 plus ln2, and this is going to be x ln3. Yeah, we isolate the x's on the one side of the equation, and the non-x to the other side of the equation, right? And then factorize the x. And then you should be able to find what your x is. Use your calculator. You get a 1.713 Okay, so if you're asked to find the exact value, you will get something like this. Yeah. This can also be written as this. It doesn't matter, right? So as long as the value is this way in 3-second figures, then you'll get your answer correct. Second one. Again, apply ln to both sides of the equations. And then you drop down 2x minus 1 here. You got ln 1 over 4 equals to, sorry, that's going to be ln 7, yeah? Equals to ln 7. Right? And what comes afterwards, you just basically multiply this minus ln 1 over 4 equals to ln 7. So that's practically easy, right? So you got a 2x ln 1 over 4 equals to ln 7 plus ln 1 over 4. X equals to ln 7 plus ln 1 over 4 divided by 2 ln 1 over 4. Again, using your calculator. Using your calculator, you get negative 0.2023 significant figure. Alright, final question involving exponentials. 9 to the power of y plus 5 times 3 power of y minus 10 equal to 0. The solution to this is, hey, this looks a little bit like quadratics. If you don't know what I mean, then hey, 9 power of x is the same as 3 power of 2y plus 5, 3 power of y minus 10 equals to 0, right? And then, okay, let's just assume that 3 power of y equals to x. So this is going to be x squared, actually. This is going to be x squared plus 5 times x minus 10 equals to 0. X squared plus 5x minus 50 equals to 0. So x minus, what's that? Yeah, 10 and 5, right? So x minus 5, x plus 10 equals to 0. X equals to 5, x equals to negative 10, right? Now that's where we're going to return the x into 3 power of y. With y equals to 5, we got 3 power of y equals to negative 10. So this gives you a ln 3y equals to ln 5, y equals to ln 5 over ln 3. This one is a little bit tricky though, yeah, because ln 3y equals to ln negative 10. Hey, wait a second, what happens here? The value here cannot be negative, So therefore, you cannot make this as a solution. It is not applicable, basically. Yeah. So you're just gonna use this. Y is equals to ln 5 over ln 3. Using your calculator, you get 1.463 SF.